Hey guys, welcome to Project 36. This is Brunhilde. I already introduced her in the last video. And this is going to be the video where I show you all the issues that I know this car has. From front to back and then interior, and we'll see how far we get along. So, starting in the front. One obvious thing in the front is that the fog light is cracked and it's not fixable. So I will get a new one. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna get yellow ones or the standard white ones. Not deciding on that right now, but it will be replaced. Then the headlights, they are really dirty, and some things died inside them. I don't know if it picks it up in camera. There's something right there. Yeah, they're really dirty, and I guess they were a home for insects. Yeah, the other ones don't have corpses in them, but they still are pretty dirty. Yeah, that's the front end. Yeah, a lot of scuffs and things that need to be touched up, but nothing too major, I think. So the first big issue. At some point, this car got into like a little parking accident, and the log says, I think 1997 or something, and obviously nobody cared because it rusted away and nobody painted over it or even tried to fix it. So yeah, it doesn't focus. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't need too much focus, I guess, because you can, yeah, there it is. Okay, yeah, you can see it's pretty bad. Probably get a new fender, but before inspection I will just hammer it down and spray over it probably. The sides are not too bad. I don't know if it is too dark, but there's a lot of scratches in the paint around the doors. So yeah, the side skirts, I'm gonna paint them in the gray the car comes with. It's Vulcan gray from BMW. Yeah, the mirrors all around, like the car itself, pretty scratched up. And one thing is that these gaskets, this material is just completely dry and will fall off eventually. My plan is to scuff it all out and then fill it with silicone or something. Yeah, going around the back. Somebody tried to paint the bumper black. It didn't work out that good, I guess. And then yeah, the paint is completely faded. But yeah, not too bad. I will repaint that probably. The left rear taillight got some moisture in it. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Yeah, in the inspection it won't go through if it has water inside. Yeah, the trunk lid is pretty bad. It has to be completely repainted. The clear coat is completely gone on the top, and here you can already see a primer, and that's not a good sign. Yeah, and that's pretty much wraps it up from the outside. A lot of scratches, rough paint, but I'm pretty happy about the outside. For the price I paid for this car, it's really good, because normally for that price you would get a lot of rust in the fender wells right here, or on the lift mounts on the bottom, and it's completely completely fine there. So we can start out with the interior now. Interior is quite okay, mostly. So the door cards are pretty bad. They at some point they got taken off, and those clips who hold the door card on, they always break if you take them off. So whoever did it didn't replace them, and that's why it's so loose. And yeah, definitely have to fix that. The fabric on it. It's just sagging and completely loose. Well, the next thing in the interior is that the carpet has a big rip in it. Next thing, the glove box is pretty loose, but that's a common issue with E36s. They always break, but mine is still fine actually. I can still even lock it. So I'm not going at this because I don't want to break it or something. And it's fine. I mean, it's a little bit loose, but it still closes, it still locks, and it's fine. So one more issue in the back that's again common E36 problem is that the roof carpet, I guess, I don't know, is completely sagging. And yeah, it's with the sunroof. It's a pain to replace the glue on these. And anyways, I think I would guess I would get a black one. As you can see right here, the sunroof actually works. That's not that common actually, because most of them break or are leaking, and mine isn't doing anything of that. Mine is completely sealed off, and mine is working like a champ. So pretty happy about that. So that wraps up the exterior and interior. The technical side of things is not that bad. It's just the brakes. I have to replace those all around, like discs and you know, compounds. And if we pop the hood, you can see the dampers still work. It's because they got replaced at some point. So yeah, but it's cool. It works, and that's fine. Another thing is that the valve cover gasket is leaking a little bit. It's not too bad. I think I would pass inspection with that, but better safe than sorry, so I will replace that. Then oil change. The last one, it says right here, was with 218,000 kilometers, and it's now at 238. So I really need to change the oil on this car. Yeah, that's a wrap, guys. I will probably start out with the headlights when I have time. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we see us in the next one. Honey, I'm a big